Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today I have the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'm going to do a quick unboxing because, as you know, there's not a lot in the box. But we'll go through that, show you what's inside, and I'll go over some color options and show you some case colors and just see which color fits you the best and do some initial impressions here. The reason I decided to do this video is because I didn't actually realize the color differences between the different options. So I had some guests over when I was ordering this, and I just wanted to get it ordered and make sure I got my pre-order deal and get everything, get my discounts and everything. So I may have rushed through the ordering process just a little bit. Thanks for all my returning viewers, and thanks for my subscribers. Appreciate the support. Let's get right to it. So obviously, look here. I mean, this is a thin box. There's nothing in there, right? But they did make something a little bit better this year is they don't just have a sealed tape there. They actually have a tab that you got to rip off. And so if you do get into the box, you'll know about it. So let's get into there. We don't need any knives or anything. We just got to open it. I always do worry about that. They opened the box and just retaped it, right? Let's see if we could do this. So in the top here, this is where all the stuff is. So in the top half, we got the SIM injection tool, we got some instructions here, and then we got the USB-C cord here. My question is, why does Samsung assume I don't have a cord, but they assume I have a charging brick, right? Plus, this is a USB-C to USB-C. What if at home I have a USB-A charger? What if I don't know the actual wattage of my charger? So 10 watt or 20 watt? Maybe I'm not charging the Z Fold 5 at the fastest speed possible. So Samsung, I know you're saying this for the environment, but just leave a charging brick in there and a cable. Not a lot to ask. Not even asking for a case or an S Pen or anything like that. Just a brick and the USB cable here. So let's get into it here. There's nothing behind in the box there. And then this is the phone. And I actually watched a few unboxing videos, so I would know how to do this. There we go. So exciting. Okay. The general colors are icy blue, phantom black, and cream. The phantom black has the black case and the black hinge and black camera border over here. The icy blue has a shiny, icy, bluish kind of hinge and cover background. Then the cream has a shiny beige hinge and a camera border in the back. And so it's like this with the Z Fold 4. This is the beige color. You can see there. And then they had like a shiny gold hinge there and all around the border. So if you like it shiny, it would be the icy blue or the beige, the choices that you have. And then the black, obviously, you know what you're getting with that. But this color is the Samsung exclusive color. The Samsung exclusive colors are blue and gray. This is a darker blue than that icy blue, so I thought it might look a little bit better. Let me peel this off here. I don't even know what that is. Might be important, who knows. So the other nice thing is the Samsung colors come in a matte finish here. You can see this here. Not a glossy kind of color like the other ones. The general colors all have a glossy finish to it. This has a matte finish, which doesn't take any fingerprints at all, which is kind of nice. I'm almost sure I'm going to put a case on it, but you know, if I don't, at least it looks a little cool. Now, the Samsung exclusive colors come with a black hinge. Let me show you that. Oh, the first fold. That was nice. So this is the black hinge that comes there. And then again, you got the blackish border around the cameras here. And then you got that black hinge that goes all around. And again, a matte finish here, as opposed to the shiny finish of the Z Fold 4. That's just a real shiny, which I usually actually go for the shiny stuff. But this one, I didn't realize it was going to be the matte finish. So that's why I just wanted to point that out. And I just wanted to point out that you got a black hinge on there instead of, the shiny color that I thought I was getting. So, that's kind of cool if you like it, and it looks kind of neat. It's kind of different for me. So we'll see how that works. Too late for me to change my color. So just wanted to show you what you were getting so you know what to expect before you order. So then I also have the cases. So this is the S Pen cases. They come in an icy blue, and then this is sand. And actually, the icy blue seems to be a lot more popular because this was harder to get, and I had to keep refreshing and trying to get updating the inventory to order this. But I eventually got this one. This was the initial one I bought, and I don't know, I just didn't like that orangey kind of color for the S Pen. But both pens were a little funky, and they stand out a little bit. Maybe they'll be harder to lose. I'm not sure. But those are the different colors there. And let me show you, this is, again, the blue, and it kind of matches that one perfectly. So let me show you, if you have the Z Fold 4 from last year, this is the beige case with the S Pen on there. And you can just see the difference between the new sand case for the Z Fold 5 and the beige coloring there. So, you know, if you have this one and you like it, this one, I don't know, looks a little darker, browner. I'm not all that great with colors, but that's why I'll just show you so you can see the difference. I'm also going to make a short video with these colors and the phone, and I'm going to go outside and just show you in the bright light what it looks like and in the shade, just so you get different angles and you can see, really get a good feel of what the colors look like and see which one you want to buy, because this is an expensive phone, and you know, you want to get a nice case, and you also want to get a nice phone color that you like. I'm also going to go into a whole bunch of videos about the Z Fold 5, about all the tips and hidden features on this, all the multitasking you could do, all the split screens, and all the things that that comes with this extra big screen. Then I'm also going to go into the S Pen. That has a lot of features on there. There's a lot of S Pen features that are only available on the Fold phone, so I'll go into all those. I'll go into all the S Pen apps and all that stuff. In most of my videos, I actually do more of a how-to kind of thing. I go into the deep menu settings, go into all the software features, just show you everything that your phone and your watch and everything, all the gadgets that you have, everything that it can do, so you're not missing out on anything. So like I said, stay tuned, subscribe. I really appreciate you watching. I know there's a lot of content out there and there's a lot of people to watch. I appreciate you finding this channel, and hopefully to see you soon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.